Hey, this is my homework one submission video. Here's my MATLAB on-ramp certification. Let's see if I can figure out how to not share that screen anymore. Hello. This is my MATLAB code for the first assignment. First problem is problem 5 on M1 plots. Basically, they just want a bunch of different. I don't know why they created a 6, but oh well, whatever. Yeah. I have all of the stuff from class kind of commented on. I'm not going to go through all of it because we went over it pretty rigorously in class, and not rigorously, but like I have a good foundation of it, and the comments are here in case you're curious, like inside the mind, what I think each thing does. First one, just create circles. I mean, that's what this equation does. And they just kind of get bigger. Like, so here's like a small circle, and then you get bigger, and then bigger, and then bigger, and then it's bigger as you go up. You can see that in a 3D contour. But yeah, second one, here's just a ramp. Starts at the bottom up here and then goes up. At least in the little window we're looking at. Same kind of code though, just different equation. Another ramp one. Same principle really, just turn different because of this negative sign here, or minus sign. This is like a saddle point, yeah. So you got your two valleys there, your two peaks there, the saddle point right in the middle. You can see the 0, look at the saddle. What is this one? That's another ramp. I guess I can actually show you like what these ramps kind of look like. This is similar to like how the other ones look. If you do 3D. What's this last one? Oh, this one creates like a valley right in the middle, or like a V kind of. This one's pretty neat looking. You can see like the V. Yeah. All right. So that's M1 plots. I'll close out of there. What now? Oh yeah, problem 2. Counting peaks and valleys in this contour plot produced. At the top. So you got the tall peak, 2 shorter peaks, and a shallow valley and a deep valley. Same kind of code. Uses peaks thing now that they gave me. It's a function in MATLAB. Same landscape. Create a line, basically, or a constraint. X equals number 1. I use this function called x line. I also make like but they have like a y line. So if you run y line, you get a y -1. If you run x line, well, don't run that. That creates a circle. Run the section. If you run x line, you get the x. And you can even like customize it to do like 1 and 0.5s and all that stuff. I don't know, it's pretty neat when I thought when I saw it. Simple but neat. It just creates constant lines. But let's rerun it and get our -1 back. Same stuff up here. Circle equation. Yeah, and just counting peaks and valleys, and I have all the coordinates. I point them out here like peak, 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 valley, valley. But if you want to see the coordinates and check those, it's cool. And the local ones in the constraint have their maxes and mins, so like max, and then min right here. The coordinates on there. 2.4, same landscape, maxes and mins on this constraint with a radius 1, circle with a radius 1. What was I thinking? Oh yeah. Here's basically how I got the circle. I use cosine and sine functions, and then here's my plot. Multiply the cosine and sine by the radius, and you get the angle right there, which is the length space of 0 to 2 pi, 100 spaces. Right now it's set to the 2.5, but 2.4 creates a little circle there. Here's the local mins, min. Here's the local maxes, max. And then if you change the radius simply, or the square root of the radius, which is what the x equals up top here, you run it, you get a bigger circle. Whoa, wow, what a surprise. Here's your max, or excuse me, yeah, here's your max for here. Here's your min, and maybe you can consider this a min too. Maybe you could also consider this a max. I don't personally, but if that's what it, if I need to do that to get an A on the assignment, I will. But I think this is like the max that we really care about, and this is the min that we really care about. And yeah, that's all my code. If you have any questions, or if I need to make the video longer or shorter, do something, just let me know. And thank you.